Alright guys, my friend bought this property upstate New York. 10 acres of land. There's a house in there, I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you later. I helped build that house about 5 years ago. Let's go up this beautiful staircase here. Look at that. Oh, they got some work here, Zach. Any lights? No lights. Oh, we got lights. Alright. Kitchen. Oh, the thing feels solid. This thing is so outdated. Let's see if I can go in here and be attacked. Landlord's here. Landlord. So this is how the look at all this freaking jankum and shit in here. Look at this. The hell is that? Mold? Gotta be bed bugs in here, dude. Oh shit. Oh, got the buck caller. Yeah, that's what they were using this for, a hunting camp. Where are we? Any lights down this hallway? Let me see if this light works here. What is this? No. It's just like a hunting camp. What this is. There's the light. He's telling me don't get skeeved out when you get there. Let's see if I can turn the light on. Hold on. I can't turn the light on. Yep. So it's a 3-bedroom. With mouse shit everywhere. He wants me to fix, get water coming to the place. There's a closet. There's a water heater. He wants me to get water coming in here. Oh, here it is. Let's see. He said it hums when you turn the water pump on. I don't see nothing humming here. Let's see. One of them is gonna hum, he said. That's it there. Water heater, let's leave that off. Water pump. Dryer. Okay. Let's go see if we got some water pumping out the joint. So I'll bring you back, guys. Alright guys, so I found a problem. I first started here, the switch. The switch, see? That tells the well pump to go on. It's a 3050. See? 3050. That's under there. So you check for power first there. Make sure it's sending power to the pump. Alright, so I went there. And looked around, saw the holes going this way. So found the well. And it's pretty crazy, this well, because it has a valve inside there. There's a valve inside there. If you turn it, open it, it lets water in. It lets water in, so I guess it's a gravity spring, you know what I mean? Up here, the water's coming down, just like the other house that I helped them build. The water came down, we put a big tank in the ground, and then I put a well pump inside of the house. Yeah, so the water's gravity fed. And then I tested these wires, and they were getting power. So once I got the pump to go on, I heard over here, like that. And right there is a busted pipe. So we gotta fix that first. I wanna show you this. We got some buck tracks here. They told me we could hunt here. Oh, those are doe tracks. They're little. Yeah? They're little. They said we'll be able to hunt over here. Oh, the deer. Good sign. Deers are coming in. Alright, so I'm waiting for him to come now. Go buy some parts. Fix that under there. So I'll be back. Alright, people. Well, there's the house that me and Zach built. How long ago? 3 years, right?
Took from 13 to I turned 40 years old. So
This was
13.
nothing. This was nothing. Me and him did the foundation, all the plumbing. The septic. All this. Made it nice. Yeah, well, they dug a well because we put a pump in there and everything. Yeah, take that grind and get it off my property. The well, the water. Oh, that's a. Oh, he does have cameras, look. Yeah. Thought you got a camera.
No, I know we put them there, but I don't think they put them.
They all hooked up. Nice, nice. All right, boys. All right, so he's here. He's got his little case going here. We're gonna dig a little hole over here. My friend Zach, retired fireman. He wants to lift it up so I can work a little comfortable. All right. Nice, nice. Gotta watch these guys from Garrison Beach, they're dangerous. Oh, you're not locked, you're not locked.
Hold on, wait, watch out.
Ready? Alright guys, Zach dropped the valve handle. Now we can't fucking see what the hell's going on here. Hope I don't drop my phone on here. So that's what we did. Fix that. No leaks. We're gonna put the heat tape. Is this? Wrap it with the insulation. And I fixed over here. I ended up having to make a T-tool. I didn't get to show you that because we were fighting that shit here. We pulled this out and we put a new valve down in there. It's a valve to winterize. I don't know if you can see it. It's right down there. See it? It's right there. But we had to put a T-tool on it, pull it up. It was broke under here. See? Fix that. So we got no leaks. Everything's filling up now. Water heater's filling up. Everything's filling up. Hope put it in my pockets it fill up. So there's supposed to be a storage tank. This piece broke off. Going from the bottom of this. So I bypassed it for now. Shut the valve off. It came out of here. There's a storage valve over there.
What's going
Yeah.
on?
Huh?
Is it leaking?
No. Let it
It's
fill.
not coming out of the sink stuff.
Let it fill up.
What's filling up?
Hot water heater.
Oh, okay.
It's taking all the power right now.
What are you doing over there? You scratch yourself?
Yeah. Alright, so I'll be back, boys and girls. Alright, there's the water heater. We're taking it out. Why you always in the frame, nigga? Right there, we got this new one going in. No. Nice. Talking about you're the boss. Nice. Alright, guys. So, we had to hook that line there to a check valve to that hose, which evidently goes into a bladder tank under the ground, from what I'm told. Right there, to pressurize the system. Normally they're in the house, but this is a motorhome. I guess they buried them under the ground to save for space. So that's all done. We got pressure now. That's all done. So now we're gonna get the water heater installed. Go inside and do that now. Alright, so I made the connection for the propane, and they're gonna come out and do a site survey. So I just got this line run here for them. I'm gonna bend this over more so no water can get in there, and no bugs. And they're gonna, I ran it underneath, strapped it up to the bottom there. That copper is gas and water rated. And I connect it into the regulator right here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. Where did I do that? Oh, right here. See it? 1/2 inch to 5/8. So he's ready for gas, but he can't get the tank. I'll have to come back to light the boiler and stuff, and the stove. So this is a tool I use, Apollo. And he uses these PEX clamps. That's what I'm doing here. Connect the old one to the new one, flip it over, clamp it. It's the product I use. Pipe dope for there. It's very strong for gas and everything. You can cut the PEX with regular tools, but I got these. Yeah, doing a video. So, this is a new one. I just broke the old one on this other well pipe. And this is a new one because I left the other one home. Alright, let's get this cold water hooked up. Fire that bad boy up. Fill it up first. Don't ever start the water heater. Don't ever turn it on, the power to it, until the job is, till the tank is full of water. I usually pop this open and I see a little water coming out. Then I let it run. Then I turn the power on, because you'll burn it out. Alright, so we're on. Hot water running. Nice pressure now. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. He's gonna insulate the pipes outside. And all these, tell me he'll insulate them. So all I gotta do now is hook the power up, 220 line to here, and it's done. We're all done. Thanks for watching.